Hello everyone and welcome to S3 Bubble. So in this exciting new tutorial we're going to go through our new desktop app which is coming soon. So the desktop app will be able to save you tons of money by not using the AWS encoders. You'll be encoding everything directly on your computer using our new desktop app functionality. So this will be exclusively available to our partners, and it means that they can just have the desktop app and the theme, and they'll just need an S3 Bubble account, but you won't need to keep logging in. You can just do everything through the desktop app. So just to show you the functionality is, let's say you've got your video on your desktop, then it's similar to the S3 Bubble interface online. So the way it works should be familiar to people that already use S3 Bubble. So we're adding captions and subtitles, and we're also going to add in audio subs as well. Okay, so it just shows you that you can add audio, subtitles, and everything needed for a full OTT setup. Okay, so you add your captions, your audio, your poster. Here you can add your DRM proxy security. We're not going to do that for this tutorial, but that's where you can add your security. Here's where you output it to your specific bucket and your cloud for distribution. Okay, and then you simply click save and submit. Okay, so what this does, first of all, it goes off and it encodes our media to HLS adaptive bitrate. It will also encrypt it to AES 120-bit encryption for DRM if you're using the DRM proxy setup. Then it will go off and encode the captions and audio descriptions, and also it will generate a BIF file. Okay, so you can see the progress here. It's encoded our media now to HLS. Now what it's going to do is it's going to encode the audio, encode the captions, and then it will generate a BIF file so that we've got the Netflix style thumbnails. So that means it will have everything needed. It's going to resize our poster to 16:9, so it's perfectly set up for the actual correct aspect ratios for your photo. Now I'm just going to give this a second to upload to AWS. So we've connected AWS through the desktop app, so everything has been connected locally. So you can just see how it quickly uploads everything to AWS. Now obviously the time it takes will be dependent on how large your files are. For much larger files it could take quite a while, but you're saving a lot of money by not using AWS to actually encode your media in the cloud. You're doing it locally and then pushing it up to the cloud. Okay, so you can see now this is uploading to AWS. Okay, so you can just give it a second while it just finishes pushing the last couple of segments and the master M3 U8. Okay, great, so that's all pushed up now to AWS, so you can simply click OK. So now we can head over to our Streamium theme or the premium theme, whichever theme you've got set up on the partner portal, and you just need to go to add new, and we can just type in new video. This is a new video. Okay, and now we just under document, we can just add it in one of our categories. So let's just put it in the movie category, and then we can select the main video. Okay, and this is the video that was just encoded. Okay, so then it goes off, it grabs all our metadata for us, and we simply click publish. Okay, we can view the movie. Okay, and you can see our movie is going to play, and we've got our BIF thumbnails, we've got our captions, and we can switch audio tracks over to our audio track. Okay, so that's got all the functionality needed, and then we have all the information here. Okay, we can just add a poster image within the Streamium theme, but that cuts out a lot of the complex functionality through S3 Bubble and connecting to AWS, and it's literally just all done directly from the desktop app, pushed up to the cloud into your S3 buckets, and then yeah, you pretty much just add it then to your theme. So great functionality, and should save people a lot of money.